State versus Cody Allen, 13-249, burglary, breaking or entering, theft. Sir, I'm looking at a police statement here. Have you gone over this document?
Yes, sir.
Do you feel you understand the matters set out in the police statement?
Yes, sir.
You understand the charges against you and the range of possible penalties if you're convicted?
Yes, sir.
Are you pleading guilty to residential burglary, 3 counts of breaking or entering, and theft of property?
Yes, sir.
By doing so, you're giving up your right to have a trial, and you also cannot appeal. Do you understand that?
Yes, sir.
Are you entering this plea freely and voluntarily?
Yes, sir.
There's a recommendation in this document regarding what your sentence should be. Other than that, have you been promised anything?
No, sir.
You've been threatened or pressured in any manner in order to get you to change your plea?
No, sir.
Are you pleading guilty because you're in fact guilty?
Yes, sir.
Was it your neighbor's home that you broke into?
Kinda. It was just a neighbor of a friend's.
Okay. Did that occur? Did the breaking or entering occur on 3 occasions?
No.
It's separate dwellings, I believe. There's an outbuilding.
I see. Okay. And stole some property.
Yes, sir.
Okay. This time, sir, I'll accept your plea and adjudge you guilty. On residential burglary, you'll be sentenced to 5 years in the Department of Correction. On each count of breaking or entering, 5 years in the Department of Correction, and on the theft of property charge, also 5 years in the Department of Corrections. Those will run concurrent. You're ordered to pay $200 in cost, a $1,000 fine, a $200 public defender fee, DNA fee of $250, a well, that's drug crime assessment, shouldn't be on here. And $20 booking fee. Pay what you owe at the rate of $100 per month, beginning within 60 days after you're released from incarceration. You make your payments to the Sheriff's Department here
Yes, sir.
in Baxter County.
Yes, sir.
13101, State versus Daniel Adams, delivery of methamphetamine near certain facilities, unlawful use of a communication device were the original charges, or maybe the current charges. No, there's been a petition to revoke filed, hasn't there?
That's correct, Your Honor. I've spoken with the probation department. Daniel's actually awaiting bed space in RPF, and probation is sufficiently secure with him being released to his mother where he will live. We expected any day a bed will open up. It's been a couple of months since he played.
Oh. What does the state intend to do with the petition to revoke?
Judge, he's waiting for bed space for RPF. We're wanting to go to RPF. We'd like, the defense will wait 60 days. We'll have a hearing when he gets out of RPF to see how he performs. That's what probation wants to do.
That's fine with us, Your Honor.
I'll note the 60-day revocation hearing requirements waived. I'll set the hearing for December 4th. And he may be OR'd to his mother. Is that right? To reside with his mother.
Thank you, Your Honor.
State versus Lacy Botch, 14-201, burglary and theft of property. Ma'am, do you have a lawyer?
Not yet.
Okay, so you intend to hire a lawyer?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Do you understand the charges against you?
Yes, sir.
And are you entering a plea of not guilty to these charges?
Yes, sir.
Okay. I'm going to enter a plea of not guilty in your case, and you reappear in this court on September 4th.
Okay.
At 10 o'clock a.m., September 4th. 10
September
o'clock,
4th. Okay.
For
Yes, sir.
attorney status, so have your lawyer with you.
Okay.
Ready to go.
Yep.
State versus Christina Scroggin, 13-85, murder in the first.
Good morning, Your Honor.
Good morning. Okay, for the record, if we could, one of you could update us on where we're at on the mental status
Judge, I think
situation.
I'll let the defense tell you where they are in their examination.
Sure, Your Honor, if it pleases the court, we've had a chance to have Christina evaluated by our own physician. Today, we withdraw our motion to contest the findings of the Arkansas State Hospital. We agree she's fit to proceed, and we'd ask the court to go ahead and find her fit to proceed.
Okay.
Judge, in conversation with the defense counsel, they have an expert they need to pursue, identify and pursue to be present at trial. I am today talk to the defense counsel, put them on notice. I'm going to move to transfer this to Marion County, Arkansas, which was the actual site of the shooting. I think Multnomah counties have concurrent jurisdiction, but I think that's the best place to try it, at least eliminates appeal issues. And I'll file a formal motion, get an order to set that. As soon as that's done, I would like an order setting this for trial. My understanding is defense has agreed to exclude all time from now to the trial setting to allow them to identify and get a setting for their expert to be present at the trial. The defense is gonna require the use of an expert.
Okay. Do we need to go ahead and schedule out any appearances before trial for motion hearings or anything?
Judge, I think the first thing we need to do is to get the case transferred to Marion County and then do all that kind of stuff.
Okay, I tell you what we'll do. When you file your motion, the court will sign that, transferring the case to Marion County. We'll go ahead and try to establish a trial date. And then we'll work in dates for hearings that may be necessary.
Yes, Your Honor. And just for the record, I have no objection to the transfer to Marion County.
I'm sorry, what?
I said, just for the record,
Okay.
I have no objection on a transfer to Marion County.
Okay.
And if the court will accommodate our experts' trial schedule, we will absorb speedy trial time up until that trial date. So that time
Okay.
can actually be told.
All right. I won't set down these dates, but let me give them to you so for
Yes, sir.
future schedule. I will be in Marion County on September 17th, October 29th, November 12th, and December 3rd. And if those dates don't work, I'm sure I can work in some others. But those are dates when I will sure be there.
Yes, sir, Your Honor.
And we,
Your Honor, should I make contact with your case coordinator?
that'd be fine,
Okay.
certainly. We'll try to work with all concerned. I just want it moving forward.
I would like to get this tried before I leave office. The court knows I'm leaving this position at the end of the year, and it would probably be the professional thing to do to try to get this tried before my successor takes office,
Well,
if it's possible.
okay. We'll do what we can. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, Your Honor. That concludes my business. May I be excused?
Yes, sir.
Thank you, Judge.